Okay, we're heading back over to the property today. It's Friday. We're gonna try to get cleaned up and get a trailer load, take to the landfill today before 5 o'clock. So hopefully we can get it loaded and the weather holds. It's pretty breezy right now, but I think it's supposed to calm down here after a while. Hopefully. So, all right, that's our goal today is try to get that trailer loaded so we can get to the dump. So hopefully it goes good. So we'll see you over there. Alright, so got a decent load. It's not a big load, but I'm hot, so I'm gonna go dump. It's Friday. Okay, it's Monday. I'm back over at Bandon property. I'm gonna try to get a load of brush hauled out of here, and maybe 2 loads if I get time. Getting kind of later in the day here, but I'm gonna just take the brush home and dump it in a washout, and that way I don't have to worry about trying to burn it. And get it out of my way, give us some room here to move around. So we'll try to get that done. We took our first load to the dump Friday, and it was $62 and like 35 cents, I think, for the first load we took out of here. And it wasn't a heavy load. I mean, as far as being totally mounted up, I still had room to put stuff, but I was tired and trying to get it empty for this week. So today, yeah, I'm gonna just try to get a few loads out of here and take them home and dump them. Zach's found him a cool spot to lay in. A butt scratcher. So, okay, as you guys can see, that I can't do a whole lot without getting in a bunch of trash and glass and steel, metal, wire, everything. Okay, I'm heading home. I didn't quite get as far as I wanted again, which usually happens about every day, but there's just so much junk out here. But getting closer, so you can almost see it pretty good now, the dump. So that right there is just all trash. And I got a little bitty nail stuck in the tire a little bit ago. It was like on some type of hinge, and I pulled it out. I'm not sure if it's leaking. I can't hear it, but it looked like it was pretty close to going through. But I'm gonna take it home, check it. Them tires are getting pretty old anyway. I do need another set, but I was hoping I'd get this job done before I put another set on it. So, all right, I'm gonna get loaded up and get out of here.